Good morning, students. This video session is for class 2nd students, subject Mathematics, term 2, chapter number 3. And the name of the chapter is Frictions. This is our lecture number 3. Today's topics are fraction of a collection, fill in the blanks, shade the following, and match the following. So beta, today we will cover all these topics: fraction of a collection, fill in the blanks, shade the following, and match the following. So let's start. First one is fraction of a collection. So beta, what do you mean by fraction of a collection? It means a collection of objects can also be divided into equal parts or fractions. बेटा व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय कलेक्शन? कलेक्शन का क्या मतलब होता है? जब बहुत सारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स को हम इकट्ठा कर देते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स. ओके, हम उन ऑब्जेक्ट्स को जो हमने इकट्ठे किए हैं उन्हें हम डिवाइड कर सकते हैं इनटू इक्वल पार्ट्स. ठीक है, या फिर हम उसे क्या बुला सकते हैं? फ्रैक्शंस. सो हाउ वी कैन डू इट, लेट्स कम टू नो विद एन एग्जांपल. हियर कलर द फ्लावर एज इंडिकेटेड. यहाँ पर बेटा हमें कुछ फ्लावर्स दिए हुए हैं. ठीक है, वी हैव टू कलर accordingly what is given to us. So here in A part it is given 1/2. Here some plants and flowers are there. Okay, and we need to color the flowers as indicated, means we have to color the flowers in the fraction of 1/2. 1/2 means 1/2. Okay, it means from every 2 flowers we have to shade or color the 1 flower. Okay, so let's count 2 flowers and then color 1. This is 1 flower, second flower. तो हम second flower को यहाँ पे color करेंगे बेटा like this. Okay, now again we have to count 2. 1, 2. तो every second part को हम क्या कर रहे हैं? Shade कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो हमें जब भी 2 से ज्यादा ऑब्जेक्ट दिए हुए हैं और हमें उसे क्या करना है बेटा? 1/2 में डिवाइड करना है, तो जो नीचे हमारा पार्ट लिखा है 2, हम 2 नंबर्स काउंट करेंगे और ऊपर हमारा क्या लिखा है? 1. ठीक है, और 1 पार्ट को हम शेड करते जाएंगे. सो फ्रॉम every 2 parts we have to shade 1 part. Okay, let's see another example. Example number 2. Color the portion as indicated. 1/4. Now we have to color the 1/4 collection. So let's see what is given to us. Here some figures are given. So let's count how many figures are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These are 12. Okay, and we have to color the 1/4 portion. So 1/4 portion करना है बेटा हमें color. So what we will do, we have to count 4. Okay, and we have to shade or color the 1 from them. हम every 4th number को shade करते जाएंगे. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4. So जहाँ पे 4 आ रहा है बेटा, you have to color that. Okay, again we have to count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will color this. 1, 2, 3, 4. We will color this. Okay, so हमें 1/4 पार्ट को जब कलर करना था, तो इस 12 में से हमने कितने पार्ट शेड किए? 1, 2 एंड 3. ठीक है, आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं और आप 12 को 4 से डिवाइड भी करेंगे तो हमारा आंसर क्या आएगा? 3. है ना. 4 की टेबल में 12 जो है वो कौन से नंबर पे आता है? 3rd नंबर पे. ठीक है, तो 3 हम कलर करते हैं. अंडरस्टूड बेटा? In question number 1, it is given count the objects, color half in each part. So beta, here what we have to do, we have to count the objects given. ठीक है, जो हमें objects दिए हुए हैं, we have to count those objects and then color half in each set. और जितनी भी हमारी collection होगी उसमें से half means 1/2 1/2 पार्ट जो है वो हमें शेड करना है. ओके बेटा, सो लेट्स सी व्हाट इज गिवन टू अस. इन ए पार्ट इट इज गिवन दीज हार्ट शेप्स. ठीक है, ये हमें हार्ट शेप्स दी हुई हैं. नाउ वी हैव टू count those objects and then color half in each set. So let's count how many objects are given to us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 shapes are given. Okay. And now we have to color half of them. ठीक है. So 1/2. तो हम क्या करेंगे, every 2 में से हम 1 पार्ट को शेड करते जाएंगे. So let's start. 1, 2. जहां पे 2 आ रहा है उसे हम शेड कर देंगे like this. Then again 1, 2, shade it. 1, 2, shade it. 1, 2, shade it. 1, 2, shade it. ठीक है, आप कलर भी कर सकते हैं और शेड भी कर सकते हैं. So now बेटा, how many objects we have? Total 10. Okay, and we have colored 5 objects from them. और 10 का हाफ जो है वो कितना होता है बेटा? 5. So we can say that we have shaded 5 things out of 10, and that is the half of 10. Understood beta? We can do it by another way. So let's see what is that. Now we will do a part with another way. Okay beta? So let's start. Color half in each set. Half means 1/2. Okay. Now in a part it is given these shapes. There are again 10 shapes. Okay, and we have to color. Okay beta, so we know that 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. So we will color 5 things from the collection. तो हम इस पूरी collection में से इकट्ठे ही 5 colors को 5 जो ये shape हैं इनको हम color करते हैं like this. ठीक है बेटा, so there are 2 ways to do this thing. या तो आप 2 काउंट करके और उनमें से 1 पार्ट को शेड करते जाइए, या फिर आप क्या करिए, जो आपको कलेक्शन दी है उस कलेक्शन को 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे और जो आपका आंसर आता है उतने पार्ट्स आप शेड कर देंगे. अंडरस्टूड बेटा? नाउ द नेक्स्ट इन बी पार्ट इट इज गिवन these rats. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Again we have to color half in each set. So half means 1/2. Okay, so from every 2 we have to color 1. Okay, so here we will count 1, 2. Okay, so second वाले को हमने color कर दिया. Then again count 1, 2. Then again count 1, 2. Okay, so like this we have colored 3 rats. Okay beta. Now in question number 2, put a ring around 1/4 of objects in each collection. ठीक है, अब हमें क्या करना है बेटा, हमें एक रिंग लगाना है यानी एक सर्कल लगाना है 1/4 ऑब्जेक्ट. ठीक है, in each collection. So let's see what is given to us. Here in A part it is given these fish. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to put a ring around 1/4 of objects. So 1/4 है, so from every 4 we have to circle one object. So let's count and circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. तो fourth fish को हमने क्या कर दिया बेटा, like round लगा दिया हमने. Okay, now again count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So again we have to make a ring around it. Okay, so इस पूरी कलेक्शन में से, इन पूरे 8 फिशेस में से हमने क्या किया, 2 जो हैं फिश उन्हें हमें सर्कल कर दिया. अंडरस्टूड बेटा? So that is the 1/4 collection of this. Okay. Now in B part, it is given these shapes. Now what we have to do? We have to again ring around 1/4 of these objects. Okay. So let's count 4 and ring one object. 1, 2, 3, 4. So fourth one is this. So we will ring around this. Again count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again we will make a ring around it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again we will make a ring. तो हमने क्या किया बेटा? From every 4 objects we have to ring one object. Understood beta? Now the C part. These cats are given beta. So let's see how many cats are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And we have to put a ring around 1/4 of object. So, and we have only 4 cats. So the fourth one is this. So we will ring around like. Okay beta? Now in D part, it is given these clocks. Okay, and again we have to put a ring around 1/4 of objects. So let's count 4 and ring 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. तो फोर्थ वाले को हम क्या करेंगे बेटा? सर्कल लगा देंगे लाइक दिस. ओके. अगेन 1, 2, 3, 4. Again we will make a ring. Understood? Now worksheet of page number 43. Now beta we will do worksheet of page number 43. So let's start. Here it is given, fill in the blanks of page number 43. In A part, it is given, there are dash quarters in a hole. ठीक है? There are dash quarters in a hole. Quarters क्या होते हैं बेटा? 1/4 है ना? हमने आपको बताया था quarter means 1/4. तो यहाँ पे कितने 1/4 हम कलेक्ट करेंगे कि हमारा एक होल बन जाए, दैट इज इक्वल टू 4. अगर हम 4 क्वार्टर्स को इकट्ठे ऐड कर दें तो उससे हमारा क्या बन जाएगा? एक होल. ओके. नाउ इन बी पार्ट, 2 डैश मेक अ होल. 2 क्या बनाते हैं बेटा? कौन से पार्ट होल बनाते हैं? 2 equal parts make a whole. Now in C part, dash 1/3 make a whole. अब यहाँ पे 1/3 है, तो how many 1/3 you will take to make a whole? That is 3. So here we will write 3. Now in D part, it is given in dash figure. ये हमें figure दी हुई है बेटा. What part is shaded? तो हमें इसमें पता करना है कि ये जो फिगर है, इस फिगर में कितना पार्ट शेड है. So first of all we have to count how many parts this figure has. 1, 2, 3, 4. This figure has 4 parts. Okay, and one part is shaded. So what is the fraction of it? That is 1/4. Okay, so here we will write 1/4. और in another way we can write 1/4. ठीक है, हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं और ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. Is it clear to you? In question number 2, shade the following figures according to the given fraction. ठीक है, पेज नंबर 43 पे ही क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है. उसमें हमें क्या करना है बेटा? शेड the following figures according to the given fraction. जो हमें फ्रैक्शन दिया होगा उसी के अकॉर्डिंग हमें शेड करना है. Okay, so let's see. In A part, it is given 1/2. Means जो हमें कलेक्शन गिवन होगी उसे हमें 1/2 पार्ट शेड करना है. So this is a circle. Okay, and it has only 2 parts. तो जब 2 पार्ट्स हैं और हमें भी 1/2 शेड करना है, so we will do 1 part. From 2 parts we have to shade 1 part like this. Okay. Now in B part it is given 1/4. Now see what is given to us. Here again we have 4 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have to shade only 1 part from 4. So we will shade this part. Okay, shade or color you can do. Now C part it is given 1/3. So let's see. Here again we have 3 parts. Okay, and we have to shade only 1 from 3. So we will shade this part. Now in D it is given 3/4. 3/4 means 4 में से कितने पार्ट शेड करने हैं हमें? 3 parts. So let's see. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 parts are given and we have to shade 3 parts from them like this. Okay? तो हमने इन 4 parts में से 1 part को लीव कर दिया और 3 parts को हमने शेड कर दिया. Understood बेटा? Now in question number 3 it is given match the following. ठीक है बेटा, यहाँ पे हमें match the following दिया हुआ है और यहाँ पे match the following के अंदर हमें क्या करना है? We have given 2 sides. ठीक है, साइड A B C D एक साइड पे दिया होगा और सेकंड साइड पे हमें उसके आंसर्स दिए होंगे and we have to match those. Okay, so let's start. Here it is given in A part 1/2, B 1/4, C 1/3 and D 3/4. And here answers are given. Now we have to match. So our first one is 1/2. 1/2 means 1/2. So here 1/2 is written here. So we have to match 1/2, 1/2 with 1/2 like this. Okay. Now 1/4. 1/4 means 1/4 and it is written here. So we have to match like this. Now 1/3 means 1/3. Okay, and 1/3 is written here. So we have to match like this. And 3/4. 3/4 को हम क्या बुलाते हैं बेटा? 3/4. ठीक है, तो 3/4 हमारा यहाँ पे है. We have to match like this. Understood? Now today's homework. Question number 1. Shade 3/4 part of the given figures. हमें जो भी given figures हैं उसमें 3/4 part को shade करना है. Okay, so let's start. In A part it is given this figure and we have to shade 3/4 part of it. In B this figure is given and we have to shade 3/4 part of this figure. In C this figure is given, ठीक है, and we have to shade 3/4 part. Again in D this figure is given and we have to shade 3/4 part. You can see in each figure we have 4/4 parts and we have to shade 3/3 parts from it. Okay. Now, question number 2. Shade 1/2 part of the following collections. Now we have given some collections. Okay, and we have to shade 1/2 part of those collections. So in A part it is given these are stars. Okay, you have to count and shade half part of it. In B it is given these diamond shapes. Okay, and you have to shade 1/2 part of these collections. Okay, now the homework discussion of lecture number 2. So let's start. I had given you sums of shading. So let's discuss what is the answers. Okay. In question number 1, it was given shade 1/4 part of the given figures. Okay. In A part, this figure is given and we have to shade 1/4 part. 1/4 means 1/4. So from every 4 parts, we have to shade only one part. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have to shade this part. In B, again we have 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we have to shade only one part of it. Now question number C. This figure is given. Again we have 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and we have to shade one part. Okay, in D, it is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 squares. Okay, equal part of the square. Now we have to shade one part. Is it clear? Now in question number 2, it is given shade 1/3 part of the given figures. Okay. Now in A part, it is given this figure and it has 3 parts and we have to shade 1/3 part of it. So 1, 2, 3, we have to shade this part. Now in B part, again we have 3 parts, 1, 2, 3, and we have to shade one part among these. Now in C part, it is given again 3 parts, 1, 2, 3, and we have to shade only one part. Now in D, again 3 parts are given, 1, 2, 3, we have to shade one part. ठीक है बेटा? So it is very easy. You have to count. Thank you.